You know, I love to go through AliExpress, Banggood, Geek, looking for components, toys, and I came across something that's not new, but could be interesting again, a Tesla Coil ARC music speaker. And I was punked by China. They make it look so big, so huge. I order it. This is the box that comes in. Yeah, in the pictures, it's huge, right? So I'm gonna build this kit. I'm not gonna film myself building it, that'll take too long, but I'm gonna build this kit. We're gonna see what it does, but let me share some of the things I read in here. So, precautions. This product safety power is not high. How's that a precaution? Power is high, right? It's gonna burn you. It also tells you don't put your phone or anything close to the coil, otherwise it's gonna fry it. So, that's some good advice. I'll make sure I don't do that. And I'll get this built and see how it does. Let's unbox. We have our coil, audio cable, heat sinks, some resistors, PCB, more resistors, arc wire, audio jack, power jack, thermal compound, some standoffs, capacitors, lamps, LEDs, rectifiers, more LEDs, and our schematic that is clearly not in English. Doesn't that punk you out and look so big? Not to scale. Well, the soldering is done. It's fully assembled. Let's see what this thing can do. It says it needs 15 to 24 volts. And my converter for my lead bench power supply. Let's just fine tune this. 16 volts should be safe. Make sure there's nothing in the way to short circuit or electrocute. Look at that glow. Oh. Let's see if I have any CFL bulbs. I'm going to leave that going for a second. I don't know if you could see the arc at the top, but I couldn't find the little bulb. Let's see if this one will glow. Wow. Let's shut out the lights. Now it's a little bit easier to see. Look at that. Those 16 volts lighting this fluorescent bulb up. Now, what fun would it be if we didn't show the music? So I don't accidentally electrocute myself connecting things. Let's power it off. We will hook up the lead, the audio. I have this old Windows phone I don't mind destroying. Let's play a little YouTube. You could clearly hear the music on this. Let me turn out the light again and we'll test. Again, the music's from here. And now the speaker is arcing. I don't know if you can hear that. Let's see if the bulb takes away from it. Still playing music, even with the bulb. This will make a nice party trick. You can crank up the voltage a little bit and it may get louder. I'll push it to 20. Wow. Pretty cool party trick. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I'll include a link in the description for where to buy one of these. They're only a couple dollars from AliExpress or Amazon. Remember, they are high voltage, so they'll burn you. Till next time, be safe, and I look forward to your suggestions in the comments on what I should build next.